That was way too easy. I'm not touching that. That was way too easy.
Can do it again.
Dude, pick it up.
In a minute. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Where'd it go?
It's down there.
It's all the way over there.
Here, it's my turn to do it. It's my turn.
No. Open.
Who do you? Yes, dear. Oh, you got hit my eyeball with it.
Sucks.
Hang on. Take the hat off. Like,
No.
until I get it in. Give me my mallow. Woman, I want my mallow. Give me my mallow. My mallow. Ah. Open wider.
No, I can't.
Ah. Would you have rubber bands in it or something?
No. As far as my mouth opens.
Ah. Here, open up for another one.
Throw in the mushroom. Marshmallow.
You said mushroom. You said mushroom.
Oh, that's a gross one.
I know.
No more.
I want another mallow.
Eat it.
Eat the food. Probably
Fat
beat it with your
lord.
brush. Let's brush it.
Eat it. No, eat it. Suck it. Salt shaker.
Oh yeah. Hey, try this at home. Tip your head back and open your mouth and
Stick out your tongue.
yeah, stick out your tongue and act like you're shaking salt on your tongue.
You can actually taste
salt.
salt.
Yeah, it's awesome. Hang on, we're not done. We gotta do some more random crap. Let's do the lion dance, Storm. Come on, do the lion dance.
No, you do you do the lion dance. That's your dance.
No, it's not. It's the twins.
They're your brothers.
So, whoever does the salt shaker thing gets a free Kit Kat. King size Kit Kat.
I swear. Do.
And this mallow. Throw it at me. On the couch. Here, stay tuned. We have to go on commercial break. Watch Storm breeze his cat chase a light. Tiger. Tiger. Kitty, kitty, kitty. There he goes. How does he do it? I'm surprised he does not hurt himself. Come on, Tiger.
He's just epic like that.
You wish, Storm. That's why he dies.
He dies.
Yes, he dies. Stay tuned, folks. Let's do it. You just heard me. Come on. That's me. Storm, come on.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.